I'm going to double-click this executable file. As soon as it's launched, the bot automatically creates a separate channel for this device. You can also see that the bot is now online and connected. Now, from here, you can use all of the available commands to interact with the connected client. Let me try a few of them so you can see how they work. To create this educational demonstration, the first thing you'll need is a Discord bot, which you can create from the Discord developer portal. This is the Discord server I'm using for the demonstration. I also have a community server that you can join if you'd like to follow along or ask questions. I'll leave the invite link in the description. Here's the code I created for this demonstration. First, you'll add your Discord bot token here. This section is responsible for launching the PowerShell process in the background, so it doesn't open a visible window on the system. Next, this part handles the communication between the Discord bot and the PowerShell process. It receives messages from the bot, executes the corresponding command, and sends the output back to the Discord server. Finally, this section automatically creates a separate channel for each connected device, making it easier to keep the sessions organized during the demonstration. Now let's create the Discord bot. First, open the Discord developer portal and click New Application. Give your application any name you like and create it. Once it's created, go to the bot section from the left sidebar. Scroll down until you find Message Content Intent, then enable it. Next, scroll back up a little and click Reset Token to generate your bot token. This token is essentially the password for your bot, so save it somewhere secure and never share it with anyone. After that, save your changes. Now, go to OAuth 2 from the left sidebar. In the OAuth 2 URL generator, check the bot scope. Scroll down to the bot permissions section and select the permissions your demonstration requires, such as send messages, manage channels, and read message history. Once you've selected the permissions, Discord will generate an invite URL. Open that URL in your browser. Choose the server you want to add the bot to. I'll use the demo server I created, then click Continue and Authorize. That's it. Your bot has now been added to your Discord server and is ready for the rest of the demonstration. Now, let's run the program using Python bot.py. If we switch back to Discord, you can see that the bot is now online, and a separate channel has been created automatically for this device. Now let's send a few commands to verify that everything is working as expected. Let's start by creating a new directory. After running the dir test command, you can see that the test directory has been created successfully. Next, let's create a text file. After running this command, a file named hello.txt is created, and it contains the text Hello, World. Now, from here, you can implement more features if you want. For example, you can add things like making it copy itself or displaying an error message. I'm not going to cover those in this video because I don't want to risk getting a third strike on my channel. If you're interested in expanding it further, you can use DeepSeek to explore additional features and implement them however you like. This video is for educational and cybersecurity awareness purposes only. Do not use the information shown here to access or interfere with systems or accounts without explicit authorization. I am not responsible for any misuse of this content. Now, let's create a standalone executable file and see if everything works as expected. For that, you'll need PyInstaller. If you don't already have it installed, you can install it using pip install PyInstaller. Once it's installed, run the following command to generate the executable. You can also specify your own application icon and output name if you want. For this demonstration, I'm just using the default settings. The executable has now been created. Let's open the project directory in File Explorer. Inside the dist folder, you'll find the generated.exe file. Let me make this window a little smaller. I'm going to double-click this executable file. As soon as it's launched, the bot automatically creates a separate channel for this device. You can also see that the bot is now online and connected. Now, from here, you can use all of the available commands to interact with the connected client. Let me try a few of them so you can see how they work. Now you can see that everything is working perfectly. However, there's one catch. If someone gets access to this executable and tries to reverse engineer it, they'll be able to find your Discord bot token stored in plain text. That's something you should avoid in a real application. If you'd like to see a video on how to protect sensitive information like that, let me know in the comments. Until then, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.